y'all, we're making vegan shrimp and grits today, and it goes like this. So you're going to take 1 cup of grits to 4 cups of veggie broth, or you can use water. I only had yellow grits, so I don't want to hear y'all say, but that's polenta. Child, eat these grits. And then you're going to stir. And then you're going to put your lid on it and let it simmer on low for about 5 minutes. And then add in vegan heavy cream. I use Ripples. And then you're going to stir. And your wrist is going to hurt after this because we don't want lumpy grits. Okay, so just keep stirring. And add in a few tablespoons of butter and stir. And then we're going to add in a few tablespoons of cream cheese and then vegan cheeses of your choice and stir. And you're going to keep stirring. And then I seasoned it up with some nutritional yeast. I added Old Bay, some black pepper, and stir. And they should kind of look like this. And we're going to move on to our gravy. So start with a butter or oil pan, add in your veggies, and use the seasonings of your choice. This is what I use personally, and it worked for me. And you want it to look like that. Add in some more butter, and you're going to add in some flour to kind of make the gravy thick, and you're going to stir. My wrist hurt, y'all. And I just kept stirring and stirring and stirring. And I'm about to lose y'all, but stay with me. Coconut milk. I know y'all like, oh, but a lot of y'all just don't know how to cook with it. It's going to work. So add in some coconut milk and it's going to taste like whatever you season it with, okay? Trust me. Stay with me, okay? So I went ahead and stirred that up and added more seasonings and let your ancestors guide you. Please do not ask me for measurements because I do not have any. And if you don't have good ancestors, take that up with God, not me. So I added in my seasonings and I added in some salt off camera as well. And taste it and adjust the seasonings to your liking. And I usually add veggie broth to thin it out, but I didn't have any, so I added water and it worked just fine. But you can add veggie broth or milk, but that's what worked for me. And it should look like that. So we're going to take our little funny vegan shrimp and season it. And let your ancestors guide you. This is the seasonings I use. And then I broiled it on high. And it came out like that. And voila, we have vegan shrimp and grits. And it was so freaking good.